Hey, I got some great news. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I've been getting some emails from Anna at ANON-CO about the Tecsun H-501X and the shipment. That last week she said they will only be offering FedEx shipping, and here are some costs. The standard version with the soft case is $18 shipping. The one with the hard case is $29.80, and with these shipping fees, the total cost of a standard version with a soft case will be $316, and the one with the hard case will be $327.80. And if you want both cases, then the total will be $342.80. Now, at that time, she didn't know when they were going to start shipping. She just said May. And she said the delivery time when they start shipping to the United States will be 7 to 10 days. Now, when she shipped mine, I got mine in 6 days. This morning, she gives me an update, and she says, we are accepting orders for the H-501X on Monday, May 16th. That's this coming Monday. This, of course, is Hong Kong time, so expect that they'll be available around late evening the 15th or early morning of the 16th for people living in North America. And here it is. We go to their webpage. There it is right there, and there's the announcement on the webpage. So it's time to order one. I really, really like mine. It's pretty much a kind of a Cadillac radio. Works really well. Thanks for Anna for supporting my shows, and have a great day. Bye-bye.